Manipur lawyers against amendment to Advocate Act 1961 by Law Commission of India to halt protest. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar stresses the need to protect the agricultural land in Manipur. Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee urges government to observe Khongjom Day on April 25th, not on April 23rd. And Hainokong Maring village in Tengnopal, which has no electricity and medical facilities, urge government to look into its grievances. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjum, bringing you the top stories. Lawyers of Manipur have voiced their opposition against the proposed bill for amendment to Advocate Act 1961 and threatened to hold protests in New Delhi. The Law Commission of India has recommended various changes in the Advocate Act 1961. At a meeting, the advocates today said they have decided to launch a series of protests against the decision of the Law Commission of India to make amendments to the Advocate Act 1961. Speaking at the joint meeting organized by Bar Council of Manipur and All Bar Association of Manipur at High Court Complex, spokesperson of Bar Council of Manipur, A. Jagjit, said a few provisions have been added to the existing Advocate Act 1961. Some of the major changes include imposition of fine as penalty to the lawyers in case of losing cases due to misconduct, the regulation to the tune of Rs 3 lakh and cost of the proceedings, constitutions of disciplinary committee to be made by the person from other discipline, and permission of foreign lawyers and foreign law firms to practice in India. Jagjit said this is violation of rights of the lawyers of the country. Advocates in Manipur will hold a signature campaign and submit a memorandum to the governor. The protest is in line with the protests carried out across India by lawyers.
अखोइन चंगजिलिब खोंजंग से करी मरंगी चंगजलिब नो हाइबसी भाप तामिनबा सिग्नेचर कैंपेन अमा अखोइ चथबा अदु सिग्नेचर कैंपेन जि चथरबा मतुंगदा गवर्नर नत्रगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट की थ्रू दा अखोइ मेमोरेंडम पिसलगा मसी यूनियन गवर्नमेंट योहनबा लो कमीशन की रिपोर्ट असे कोइगी कोर्ट ममांगदा पुथोगा मसी अखोइना कोइगी मई थादोकनी सबमिट तौग्रिबा अखोइगी रिप्रेजेंटेशंस मैम सिंग असे मे की तारीख अमा फाउगी मनुंगदा करियुंबा यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ना नत्रगा मरी लेनबा अथॉरिटी ना करियुंबा मसी याबिरक्तबा तारबोइदी मे की तारीख अनीदा अखोइ न्यू दिल्ली दा चलगा पटियाला हाउस कोर्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स मनाक्तगी राजघाट फाउबा अखोइ रैली में चटकनी अदु फाउबदा ग्रीवेंसेस से रिड्रेस तौरक्तबा तारबोइदी मखन कया गी अखोइगी स्टेप्स लखलकपागी अदुगुंबा अखोइगी डायरेक्टिव्स लेजरे.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar today asserted that a new land policy is needed to protect the agricultural land in Manipur. The Deputy Chief Minister flagged off a cycle rally with the message "Save Agricultural and Permaculture, Organic Agriculture," organized by Laumi Sinmi Apunbalup Lausal. The rally, which was flagged off from the western gate of the Kangla, covered different parts of the Imphal city before concluding at the Sanakonum. Placards that read "Natural soil is our soil, save organic soil, start up organic agriculture" were displayed in the rally. Joy Kumar also stressed the need to protect nature and urged the people to actively involve themselves in efforts to save the environment. He said such rallies should be organized frequently in the state to protect the agricultural land and the environment.
Agricultural land shape to wetland shape to natural ecological imbalance में लाइसे मसी सुमाइन तो ना कोई ने चेक तो देखिए अमुके है लाकनी फ्लडिंग तो बा करूँ तो नोंग ताता बा खोता बा सुमले में हमसे मसी चेक तो नहीं तो मत है बसी करूँ तो डेवलपमेंट करूँ सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट सिंह से we should करूँ दा नसाई के small hill living से मसी की मनाकता अदाइदा नसाई agriculture तो बुकान द farming तो बुकान याम न कन suitable ओइदबल लम्दो मधु अदुको में द सिन बसे मसी की करूँ सी शिफ्ट तो बसे मसी हम दरकार ओए.
The villagers of Hainokong Maring village in Tengnopal constituency have urged the government to look into their grievances and improve their lot. Hainokong Maring village is in a pitiable condition. The village, which has a population of around 300, has no health center and electricity, and the roads is in deplorable condition, causing grievous inconveniences to the villagers. Hainokong Maring is hardly 38 kilometers from Imphal. Speaking to Impact News, the villagers said the nearest health center is Hairok Health Center, and to go there, they must pass the Tamlai bridge, which cannot be accessed by vehicles. They must walk at least 6 kilometers to reach the health center. As the village does not have a market, they have to walk to Hairok and Wangjing markets for business purposes. They also said the villagers face a lot of inconveniences during rainy season due to the bad condition of the roads. The village has a primary school under SSA and a residential school from class 6 to 8, but they suffer due to the lack of teachers. The community hall, which was destroyed in a storm in 2015, is yet to be repaired. The villagers hope that the new government will look into their grievances.
Hainokong primary school class 1 to 5 ki under SSA department makhada lay students sing di above 48 ki mathak ta lay adu oja di ani laibda amadi utilize kare hojik oja amakak ta oina thambiye masi koi primary school gi di oja gi problem se am laire aduga koi midday meal gi oina hojik se every day should give midday meal haina angang sing da adugi laiba male du kitchen su laite koi kitchen su sade anauba sarkar si lakpaga loina na sarkar sina promise tawbagi matungin na koi sing da koi khun gi oina di problem se koi lambi thong se yam nungaite nong taba khotpada koi nongma nongbai sara lairaga saba su yawi nu nong taba kan da di yam problem oiraga dunguma da su amwa ba yam oye
Congress the Charson Piring Ganda, Makoi the Power, I could complain to Jabani, community hall pie bugis. Masipawa in a photo power Namlaga, Makoi the Pisin Gibney, application Galoinana. DC the power was Adugi application Laramgani. 2017 election Mamang the Lagliba, Ekoi Masibloki, Estiosina. Community horse, Masumatam Duda, Anova in charge Lakpanina. Heck in charge Lakpada, Agi Kunda Hana Kongdai, Aduda Manasu Yangshil, no idea, Masi, Karikari also. Masi Khana se Haibadudi Hairame. Yam Nungai Anova do Lakpase at Moigi party Sida Ikuna Hijaning Bahibasi Kun Asigi Oinadi, Awatpagi Awatpa Yam Laye.
The person is higher, when you send Peter but a Peter but the Dum hide a hundred lazy Simbu and I have dog. I couldn't do the most of Simbu and I build Dum Hashab, the Hashab the Mohishi Dum Tausa and Dum Lay.
IFCD and YAS Minister Led Pao Haukip said the government is thinking of an alternative means to provide a source of income to people who cultivate poppy to earn their livelihood so that they give up poppy cultivation. He said the state government has agreed in principle to replace poppy with lemongrass cultivation. The minister was addressing people including leaders of church and village chiefs at Aihang village in Chandal district yesterday. He said the government is determined to provide an alternative livelihood to poppy cultivators and appeal to the chiefs and leaders of the area to attend awareness and sensitization program to be held shortly in Imphal. He also said clearance of large forest areas for poppy cultivation caused soil erosion. The minister also inspected the site for a mini stadium at Aihang village to be built under NLCPR. As announced by Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren to observe People's Day on the 15th of every month, Ziribam Police yesterday observed the first People's Day at Ziribam Police Station. SDPO Ziribam R.K. Charles said the observation aimed at building a good relationship between public and the police. Manipur State Legal Services and Traffic Control Office, Imphal West jointly organized a one-day legal awareness program on traffic awareness for all at Khairamban Bazaar today. Women vendors and members of Imphal West District Legal Services Authority took part in the program. Members of the Imphal West District Legal Services Authority explained how to follow the traffic rules in a crowded place like Khairamban Bazaar. Assistant Public Prosecutor Ajit Kumar Mutum stressed the need to follow the Motor Vehicle Act and Manipur rules. He also spoke about the inconveniences faced by the traffic police. Thoubal District MP Candidature Demand Committee has drawn the attention of all concerned to elect the Rajya Sabha MP for the 8 assembly constituencies which cannot contest the Lok Sabha election. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Chief Convener of the committee, former MLA Y. Thoubal, demanded election of the Rajya Sabha MP from these constituencies. The constituencies which cannot fight the Lok Sabha election include Hairuk, Wangjing Tentha, Khangabok, Wabagai, Kakching, Hyanglam, Sugnu and Ziribam.
MP Candidature Demand Committee Heaven Hanagi Lerambars while district Sigi Manunda constituency Nipan asi board PVDI board lepadia the outer Manipur parliamentary seat Koibu Polapo Henbire Aduna Raisovagi sit Amatang constituency segment Humpu Sidagi Raisovagi member Amakangarabani Raisovagi City Ujile Riva Magi ruling group adugi moina thajaba miwoy ama thagani miwoy do board lepedi ataba adu vote ma pihanba privilege mayam ama deprive tobiraba sigi maraktagi thagat piu haiba appeal adu adugi conference aduni hoina pamderisi.
Chairman cum Managing Director of CJ Hospitals and Research Institute, Dr. Kate Palin has announced that Smile Train CJ Cleft project will organize Cleft Week from April 17 to 23rd. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Dr. Palin said Smile Train CJ Cleft project along with Smile Train New York has been treating thousands of patients since 2006. He said many people affected by cleft in Manipur are embarrassed about it and do not come forward for treatment. Dr. Palin urged them to come out and get treated as it can be cured if treated early. Free treatments and free medicines are also provided under the Smile Train CJ Cleft project. Dr. Palin also stated that people from Manipur and neighboring country Myanmar have also been benefited from the project.
Masimban kumaga lakba anaba kharadi masimban hangdoe kairuda ai kithanda nate narisi mayamasu leiri habagi power pa boy masen friend oina wari sarakba kholakpa imung manung interact torakpa amai tawna yamna chawba response ama phangi kachin koya da khangdaba singbu khanghan biu aduga motivate tabiu si totally free surgery ni hidaki leibagi operation gi adug loina test mayam loina free ni aduga kariumba mana imung manung nangdana yamna sangna satpa taragadi koina traveling expenses 1000 adum koi pijagani haiba New York ki sigi posi akoina tawri khudi muksi moida thani aduga moi computerized tawraga anabasi loina identify tawneba result se ada akoi gi result si so far very good Manipur da akoi bu appreciate tawira pa hai tare adugi smai tawna operation tawsi lep khrabra haina hangba yaweba lepte ba aduni aina haijening se lepte sathari anytime lakpiu any matamama da lakpada akoi entertain tawni.
National Highway New Alignment Lane Honors Committee has opposed the new alignment of National Highway 102 by National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. The committee demanded immediate halt of the new alignment from Wangjing Kapakong to Hairok Lamkai. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of the committee, Tekcham Rameshwar, asked the government to follow the Land Acquisition Act 2013 and provide new settlement to the affected people. He also asked the government to be impartial in acquiring land for the expansion of highway. He drew the attention of the PWD, Revenue Department and Mahut to the matter.
Later, I am so under the monga, a coin of Karikari, Toby Abagaiva, Yam Santi Oiva Monga, a quick protest only Karigumba, Amata Department, Revenue Department, Mahut Department, PW Department, Karigumba. Tausil Taurangama Paikalakoda, Equisazok Piroy, अखोइना यानगिबा फुट यांखै मनिंगदे यांखै ममांगदे यांखै हाइबसे सिने सुम यानर अबदी अखोइ कनो तौजगनी अखोइगी मेमोरेंडम जिदेदा पिजरिबा जिदेदा अखोइना यावजरी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना करिगुम्बा अखोइजी नखोइगी पेंदब करी लेरबगे वारी साजी हाइदना बहुत डिपार्टमेंट ना नत्रगना लेरिबा मिनिस्ट्री ग्रुप अमना कोबिरा अगदी अखोइगी अपामजे फोंदोक चरगा अखोइ हाइरिबा आंदोलनगी नत्रगे हिंसागी थबकसे अखोइ अमता संगसन जरोय
Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee has urged the Manipur government and the people to observe Khongjom Day on April 25th, not on April 23rd. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, patron member of the committee R.K. Jalajit said the Manipur government has been observing the day on April 23rd for many years now. He said the date was fixed by a 9-member committee headed by late Yumnam Yaima and it was decided by votes. Jalajit said the decision was taken without consulting the relevant documents on the battle. He said the documents are now available at the Archives and Arts and Culture Department. He urged the BJP government to observe the day on April 25th.
Kanagi Yumna Mayagi, the summit of Magi Paunagi Masasina, Karin Summit of Masatang Plum, the stage, the Lake Debani, and Mabu Panga, Sina Pangarishna, Tankurmat, Pangabani, Tankumas, the Nima, Asum the Purerga, Turino Panam, and the Purerga, Arapi the Purerga, they the Polibani, Tankurmat in the Polirici, Abu Sanskarta was he. Tankurmadani, Madu evidence the Yumnam, I'm the in writing summit of my Masan summit of Maduna Sulere, Aduga British record, Ani Chumuchum Neradi, Asumabuk in a way the British record, record Mukora, Dumtona Santa.
13/3 BJP Booth Committee today facilitated Speaker Yumnam Khimchan at an event jointly organized by Youth Welfare Organization Club of Singtamai Thokchom Laikai and Booth Committee. Speaker Khimchan stated that he will work for the development of Patrick Yu School at Thokchom Laikai established in 1894 and all the markets in Singtamai. Khetrigao MLA and Parliamentary Secretary Mahut Nahakpam Indrajit was felicitated by Nehru Memorial Club, Top Awang Laikai. The people drew the attention of the MLA to the conditions of roads and scarcity of safe drinking water and urged him to ensure availability of PDS items and provide old-age pension in the constituency. The MLA assured that drinking water will be provided to every household in 2 years. Editors Guild Manipur has condemned the threat to the family of editor of Naharol Gitaudang, Khoirom Loya Lakpa and joint editor of the daily Chandragupta alias Gautam by persons who claim to be URF cadres. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Locals of Kiam Sifai Thong Ahanbi clarified that workers of NEITP candidate Y. Nabachandra Inwangkim in the Manipur Assembly polls did not assault Thiam Ibungo and that the incident is not poll related. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Y. Shanti, who is from the same locality, accused Thiam Ibungo of threatening to kill her son Mani Chandra. She alleged that Ibungo hit her when she went to his house to discuss the matter. Upon hearing the incident, locals went to the house of Thiam Ibungo to find out the truth. She also alleged that he made rude comments and tried to assault the women. He was not ready for a dialogue and closed his gate. When people tried to force open the gate, Ibungo pelted stones at the crowd. The women retaliated and pelted stones at his gate and windows. It may be mentioned that Wangkem MLA K. Meghachandra yesterday alleged that Ibungo's house was damaged by Nabachandra's workers.
Sangsal aga ayu sangsal matam the man I want the kinana tile kin the thin bista I humbanda tare ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯎꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯐꯨꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯏ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯊꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯏꯕꯨꯡꯉꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯨꯅꯦꯅ ꯆꯪꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ 이나우누파 나바찬드가 MLA 메가나 Congress 와커기 kambu나 하디 나바찬드기 kambu나 투가이 쿠카이 하비도 가임타 머리 레나데 타이붕가 이가 칸나바다기 어두기 이랑도 토키베
All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union, under the aegis of the President of Transporters and Drivers Council (TDC) Hisam Ranjit, organized one-day free medical camp at Sekmai, Nongthomban today. 4 doctors from Langol View Clinic and 5 nurses from Kanglei Park Medical and Nursing Institute Kurai provided treatment at the camp. General Secretary of All Manipur Road Transport Driver and Motor Workers Union, Maimun Anil, said the camp was organized to provide medical benefits to drivers who work day in, day out and do not have time to take care of their health. Apart from the drivers, locals were also provided with free medicines. He said the union will also organize a similar camp on Imphal-Zirbam highway soon.
Doctor da tasengna no kai thoga ni kai thoga yengbi matam du leitabadagi medical camp ama sinmani no one day medical camp ni masi hek loiba khoina ankamu national highway 37 Imphal Jiribam lami damu akhoi athuba matam da akhoi medical camp si no medical camp si mu tawni khoi imna matam ama yengaga akhoi driver sing gi khudong chana mi dongta ana lengbi khudong chana mi dongta marang marak ta akhoi pangthong ama sem sajari
makha tana khoina pamana sumana tawragadi after tha makhai ma tha magi manungda numi mari mangare dang soi hujik free camp je tawbiragadi अखोई दे हेना खुदोंग चाबा मयाम दको ngasi changakpa tholoktaba mayam lamda laiba Imphal lomda lehoba mayam je nungtigi chatpa khotpa up down oinabagi oina sep tawbiragadi अखोई दे खितang khudong chaba mayam jo oina loi thungani moina smai simbire si am phai.
Secretary of United Bus Owners Welfare Association B. Dhanabir appealed to the authorities concerned to release the funds for hiring buses during the recent assembly elections.
Handak pangthokiba Manipur gi general election aduda Manipur gi district khudimakta Imphal East sijinagi bajida ahanba election tawdringegi matamdadi CEO Dewanganna akhoigi 50% paisa pini aduga hek loibaga akhoi full payment tawni haibado madunga si amta pangthoktre hauji akhoi paisa supi pidaba advance supi daba the final bill supi daba district mayam jawre yamna thuba matamda Pithoknaba akhoi mari leinaba singna sinbio karigumba masi sum namjandana thamba taragadi khoi Manipur da leiba transporter khudimak ki apunba khongjangama lakpa yai haidana section wa ma thamjare.
Volunteers of Kaishamthong Irompukri Mapal Social Club today cleaned the drains around Irompukri Mapal in Kaishamthong constituency, which remained blocked for a long time. Kaishamthong MLA Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar also saw the cleanliness drive and assured the people that measures will be taken to prevent flash floods. Fire Substation Thaubal observed Fire Service Day at their station today. Every year, April 14 is observed as Fire Service Day in India to pay homage to those brave firefighters who sacrificed their lives in line to their duty on April 14 in 1944 at Mumbai. All Manipur Arts and Culture and Sports Development Society today held the 17th Peace and Communal Harmony of AMACDS Awards functioned at Lamyanba Sanglin. Awards were presented to persons from various communities in recognition to their contribution in education, industry, arts and culture and sports. Shahid Madhumangol Foundation, SMF Tera Bazaar along with State Forest Department planted trees at Gwarok Mahadeva in Yaripok today. They also conducted a cleanliness drive led by Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Mahendra Pratap and President of the Foundation S. Premananda. The team planted trees around the temple. Kanglei Economic Development Organization, KEDO, has appreciated the efforts of more than 100 people who are keeping the Khairamban Bazaar and its surroundings neat and clean under the initiative of Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar. In a press release, KEDO said they will extend all possible help in maintaining the market neat and clean. Tinsit Road along the Mega Manipur School is in a deplorable condition since the road has been blocked by large heaps of excavated earth. In a press release, Mega Manipur Society said the school will remain closed on April 17 and 18. The school also urged authorities concerned to complete the Mapithil Dam water supply pipe work at the earliest. Easter Sunday or Resurrection Sunday, a festival celebrating the resurrection of Jesus from the dead, was celebrated at Don Bosco Catholic Church, Chingmairong today. Special Easter Mass was also held where the pastor said the existence of Christian community despite persecutions against them is the living example that Jesus Christ rose from dead. Many people, including children, attended the service. Fifth All Manipur Folk Drama organized by Manipur Dramatic Union MDU kicked off today. Haungnu Kashitombi by MDU was presented on the opening day today. The play was written by Sarangthe Bormani and directed by Dr. Lamabam Gojendra. The 4-day festival is being participated by 4 theatre groups. President of Manipur Dramatic Union A. Shirgopal Sangit Natak Academy awardee Elangbam Joychandra, Director of Manipur Ensemble K3 Jugindro and lovers of Manipuri drama were present at the inauguration. Speaking on the occasion, President of MDU R.K. Sanajauba said the festival is organized with the aim to preserve the dying folk form which was once loved by the audience.
Fajaba Bevhar Chana Lunchat Mayam Singasi, Tambidamasi Mutki Gudra Habagi, Kibagi, Wakalam Puxabadagi, Hariba Quigi, Idamdangi, Chana Lunchat Simanki, Gidra, Yokata Nabi Pandamda, Equin Pog, I would theatre see. I couldn't festival see Handal Mangarak Subo in Pangtuk Savani, the lady but Nungi one took Mayamama. Hosiki Samaja Sida, Lady Basi, I know well Yaungi Lila Mayam, Kusan Gidana, Equi Ipana Dipuna, Kilajan, Pajar Wahi, Wata, Lamcha Saja, Bebaji, Monkey, Gedra, Bagi, Pandam, Yokochava, Adumba, Pop Festival.
Now the sports news. Neruka FC Sangakpam and Fateh Hyderabad drew their match in the 2nd Division League played today. Host Fateh Hyderabad and Neruka FC could not score a goal in the stipulated time. Neruka FC have won 5 points in the league. Neruka will host Delhi United on the 21st of this month at Kumalam Park Main Stadium. The league is being organized by All India Football Federation. Cyclone Thangmaiban beat their rival by 28 runs in a league match of the 14th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the match played at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam, Cyclone Thangmaiban won the toss and elected to bat first. They made 116 for 8 and 30 overs. Binoy and Arun made 40 and 22 runs respectively. In reply, Cham Thangempli were all out for 88 in 25.1 overs. Cyclone Thangmaiban all-rounder Binoy was declared the man of the match for his 40 runs. Young Welfare Club Langtabal will meet Nauriya Pakang Lakpa Sports Association Ka Imphal in another league match tomorrow. PJA Pundongpam and STT Sector beat their rivals in the first Paradise Union Pundongpam Pupu Cup Under-17 9A-side football tournament today. In the first league match played at Lamlai High School, Pundongpam ground, PJA Pundongpam trounced LYPOC Mantri Pukri 3-1. For the winners, A. Roger and Rahul and Y. Suraj netted in the 29th, 38 and 56 minutes of the match. In the second league match, STT Sector Tres FC Kamapal Team B 13-0. For STT Sector, L. Robinson netted 5, K. Renault 3 goals, while S. Bishwarjeet SH Netrachit, Y Sana, SH Bijain and Somorendro scored 1 goal each. The tournament is organized by Pupu Pundongpam and 21 teams in 4 different groups are taking part in it. 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. Local Development Association Kwakaithal Soibam Laikai felicitated Soibam Motilal, who bagged second gold at the 38th National Master Athletic Championship at Haurok Chanbi Community Hall. The 38th National Master Athletic Championship was held from March 24 till 28 in Allahabad. Sagolban MLA RK Imo was also present at the event. The 8th annual sports meet of Manipur University will be held from April 18 to 28. Manipur University Students' Union 2016-17 in a press release has asked the students to participate in the meet. Parliamentary Secretary of Tourism Department Dr. Sapam Ranchan will flag off the largest car expedition from Imphal to London. Road to London 2017 from Hotel Grande Chingmerong tomorrow morning at 7:30. The expedition is organized by Adventure Overland, a unique travel company under the aegis of Manipur-based travel company 9 Hills Consultants and 7 Sisters Holidays. Speaking to media persons, Sanjay Madan of Adventure Overland said 27 persons, including Indian citizens from United Kingdom and Tanzania, are taking part in the expedition. A total number of 13 cars will cover 16,000 kilometers, passing through Myanmar, Thailand, China, Russia and 18 different countries before reaching the final destination, London. They will return to India by air.
This is the largest and the first Indian expedition in which participants from all over India have come together. We have 27 members and 13 cars, and we're going to be driving from India all the way to London, crossing 18 countries, 16,000 kilometers in 49 days. First, because we have no choice. Only you guys have maintained good relationship with Myanmar. There's no other way, but also because we have experience, we have great team here, 9 Hills, 7 Sisters. We have a great team here who've given us tremendous support in the last few years. They make everything very smooth, the border crossings, accommodations, getting all the participants. So it's very easy, very familiar for us. Manipur is very familiar for us to start these expeditions from.
Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur lawyers against amendment to Advocate Act 1961 by Law Commission of India to hold protests. Deputy Chief Minister Joy Kumar stresses the need to protect the agricultural land in Manipur. Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee urges government to observe Khongjom Day on April 25th, not on April 23rd. And Hainokong Maring village in Tengnopal, which has no electricity and medical facilities, urges government to look into its grievances.